What is up, everybody? My name is Mark, and today I'm going to teach you how to get started using Dropbox in just 5 minutes or less. I love Dropbox. I use it every single day for my business and for my personal items as well. The reason that I love it so much is because it just does its job in the background and I don't even have to think about it. All of my data, all of my important things for my clients are all backed up to the cloud and to all of my computers, and I can access those files from anywhere in the world anytime I need them. It's just fantastic. Now, there are other competitors out there for Dropbox, so maybe something else will fit you better, but please, oh please, oh please, find a solution that works for you to back up the things that matter most. So let's jump right into today, because you really can get started using Dropbox in just 5 minutes. I'm going to be teaching today using a Mac, but the instructions are going to be very similar if you're on a PC as well. So hopefully you'll recognize the various windows that pop up if you're on a PC instead of a Mac. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open up your favorite web browser and go to Dropbox.com. From there, you're going to want to click on Create an Account and then fill out the fields there. Click I agree to Dropbox terms and click Create an Account. And now it's downloading Dropbox for you. And in just a moment, it'll finish. And on a Mac, I'm going to go down to my Downloads folder, and I'm going to click the Dropbox installer. And then when this window pops up, I double-click the icon to start the installer. I click Open if that window pops up. Once the installer completes, you'll see a blue window open, and all you need to do is click Open My Dropbox folder. And when the new Finder window opens, you'll now see a Dropbox folder at the top of your favorites list in the sidebar. And if you click on that, in just a moment, you're going to see a Get Started with Dropbox PDF that's there. And you can check that out later on your own. But for now, all you have to do to use Dropbox to back up the files that you care about is to open up the folders where those are and drag them and drop them into this Dropbox folder. And in just a moment, you're going to see them start to sync there. And it has a blue circle with circle arrows, which indicates that it's syncing right now. When they finally finish, you're going to see it turn into a green checkbox. And since I have that window still open behind, it turns green and it says you've just synced your first files in Dropbox. And that's literally all there is to using Dropbox to back up your content. Simply drag and drop anything that you'd like to use into your Dropbox folder, and then continue using those folders as you normally would. And as long as they're inside your Dropbox folder, they will always back up to your account on Dropbox. If you ever want to share a file or a folder with somebody else from your Dropbox account, it's really easy. There's two ways to do it. The first way is to go to your computer and navigate to your Dropbox folder, and then find the folder or the file that you'd like to share, and then right-click or secondary click on it, and then choose either Share this folder or Share Dropbox link, depending on what you'd like to do. If you share the Dropbox link, you can just send that in a text or an email or some type of other message, and they can access that file whenever they need to. The other way is to go to Dropbox.com and log into your account, and it's very similar. You also go and find the folder or the file that you'd like to share. You click the Share button and either invite people to collaborate or send a link. And then you can copy the link and send it to anyone you like, or send it right from here. If you want to use Dropbox to back up all the pictures on your phone, it's really easy. All you do is click on Dropbox, and when it opens, click on Photos at the bottom. And then you'll see up at the top where it says Turn on Camera Upload. Click Enable, and it will immediately start to upload all of your photos to your Dropbox account. Then from here on out, every time you take a photo, it's going to be automatically backed up to Dropbox. All right, let's talk pricing real quick. Dropbox Basic is free, and you get 2 gigs of space for free. You can get the Dropbox Pro, and that's $9.99 a month. And with that, you get a whole terabyte of space to use. If all you're going to be doing is backing up things like Word documents, that 2 gigs might actually be enough. But if you're going to have a lot of pictures and video, that will definitely not be enough. So you'll need to consider a higher option. If you want to learn more about Dropbox or other backup options, you can check out these 2 classes all about iCloud and Dropbox, and backing up your photos using Google Photos. We'd also love to have you join us on our Facebook page and check out our website at techtalkamerica.com. Thanks for coming. Class dismissed.